What's up guys, and this is it. We've got some pretty exciting leaks regarding the upcoming Google Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. These devices are hands down one of the most awaited flagship phones of 2021. For the first time ever, Google is indeed bringing their absolute best. We'll be taking a look at the specs along with the accurate design look of both Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. But before that, we got some exclusive info on the Whitechapel chip. This is the Google Silicon for the Pixel 6 family. According to Yogesh on Twitter, this is indeed a 5nm processor as expected, right on par with Apple, Qualcomm, and Samsung. As for the performance, it's going to be in between Snapdragon 888 and Snapdragon 870. Google will have some big AI gains along with a Meli GPU. So to me, it seems like the performance is similar to the Exynos 1080 that we saw earlier this year. Now, of course, Google has a complete control on this processor, so they'll be doing their own spin on top of this. The thing about this custom Google chip is that it's not gonna be the absolute best when it comes to numbers, but when it comes to optimization, that is where Google can absolutely shock the world. Now, apart from the custom silicon, we also have some other info regarding the specs. So Pixel 6 Pro is set to rock a 120Hz Quad HD panel. It's going to be a 6.67-inch display, so pretty big. And don't worry, Google has learned from its past mistake. This time, they're going all out with a 5000 mAh battery. This info is coming from Max Weinbach, one of the most reliable sources we have in the tech leaks game. He further says that we'll see custom high-end cameras. It's rumored to be Sony's 50-megapixel unreleased IMX800 sensor, once again in control of Google, so we'll be seeing that crazy image processing. As for the launch, Google is gearing up to launch this phone in the month of October this year, but because of chip shortage, it might actually slip all the way to November. Now, all this good stuff won't be cheap. It is expected that the Pixel 6 Pro will reach a price point of $1,000. It might still be slightly cheaper than the S21 Ultra or the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro Max. Lastly, but most importantly, Max Weinbach says that Google has set a marketing budget similar to Galaxy S lineup, so they're actually going to completely challenge the best flagships out there. Now, thanks to OnLeaks, we got the most accurate design look of the Pixel 6 Pro, revealing all the camera sensor, and as you can see, it is indeed rocking a periscope zoom for the first time. Along with that, we have wide, ultra-wide, and color correction sensors. Now, as for the non-Pro Pixel 6 model, is rocking similar camera setup as the Pixel 6 Pro minus that periscope zoom lens. With the base Pixel 6 model, Google is indeed looking to challenge the upcoming Galaxy S21 FE. Now, apart from the cameras, there's also some differences when it comes to the display. So we're looking at a curved display on the Pixel 6 Pro, while the normal Pixel 6 is rocking a flat display. But don't worry, the Pixel 6 will indeed bring a 120Hz refresh rate just like the Pixel 6 Pro. The difference is with the resolution. We've got a 1080p resolution on the Pixel 6, whereas we see Quad HD Plus on the Pro model. Now, we're not done with Google news. Google is indeed bringing a Galaxy Watch 4 competitor as well, which is going to be the Pixel Watch that is set to use a custom 5nm processor. Now, other than the Pixel Watch, Google will be bringing back its Pixel 5a that's going to be affordable, but is set to cost a bit more than the Pixel 4a. It's still going to be an affordable phone, hence there is no wireless charging. So that's all the latest Google news. Absolute monster of a phone, Pixel 6 Pro. Super duper excited. Not just the Pro model, the base Pixel 6 is also looking really exciting. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.